Ego, a small word, yet one of the most dangerous and powerful forces in the universe. If you ask me what truly controls human actions, my answer is ego. It can push a person to escape poverty, cut off toxic people, silence disrespect, become the most successful name in their family, build discipline, change personality, and chase dreams far bigger than their current status. When used in the right direction, ego can make you do anything. But first, you must fully understand it. Ego simply means self-respect. Everyone has it. It appears when your value is ignored, your love is mocked, your family is underestimated, or your trust is broken. That's why ego is labeled as something negative. But remember, negative energy often carries immense power. Stress can push someone to destruction, yet that same pressure can also create strength.
The real question is, can we use this negative energy to become successful? The answer is yes, but only if you understand both sides of ego. The negative side of ego makes you live only to prove others wrong. It blinds you. Advice feels like an insult. Feedback feels like disrespect. You believe you can't be wrong. Even a simple apology or message feels like losing status. And because of this, relationships, opportunities, and growth quietly slip away. Ego blocks learning. It isolates you. You may win arguments, but you lose in life.
The positive side of ego reminds you of your worth when the world tries to break you. When people say you can't do it, ego whispers, "Watch me." It becomes fuel when motivation dies. It gives you identity, self-belief, and the strength to protect your self-respect. This ego pushes you to grow, learn, compete, and become better every single day. The goal is not to kill ego, but to control it. The first step is acceptance. Admit you have ego. Everyone does. Strength lies in managing it, not denying it. Second, build a learning mindset. Ask yourself in every situation, what can I learn here? Third, accept feedback. Those who tell you the truth are mirrors, not enemies.
Life will test your ego everywhere, during success, insult, failure, and victory. Negative ego says, "No one can question me." Positive ego says, "I can bend to grow." This is the true power of ego. And now, it's in your hands. I'll meet you in the next video.